All right, great start geometry on day one of e-learning. What I wanted to do is put together a couple quick run-throughs of the most missed questions from our first Khan Academy problem set. So this was the most missed question. It says a circle has a radius of 3 and an arc in this circle has a central angle of 60 degrees. What is the length of the arc? So first thing that we're going to do is we're going to use the arc length formula, which is L equals central angle theta over 360 times the circumference 2 pi r. Now, key things to remember is that we're taking a certain fraction of the entire circumference for the circle. So when I look at this, it tells me that the arc that in question has a central angle of 60 degrees. So we're going to say L equals 60 over 360 times 2 pi. Now we need to find the radius, so we go back to the question and it tells us it's 3. So if I push this together, I've got L equals 60 over 360, all right, which would reduce to a 1 over 6 times 6 pi. All right, and if I multiply that together, I get pi. Now the question says either enter an exact answer in terms of pi or use 3.14 for pi. So the two answers that would be acceptable on this one is pi and 3.14. Thank you.